Welcome, Moksha webinar on MBBS abroad and the pathway for planning your medical career. Welcome you on this Moksha, Academy and Moksha Study Abroad platform. We are here to, give you or make you licensed physician. Today's discussion is about roadmap to become a licensed doctor and what is the journey. Mind you, the stress is on the word licensed physician, okay? Because there are a lot of webinar seminar you attending where all people are trying to tell you ये कॉलेज में चले जाओ, वो कॉलेज में चले जाओ, अच्छा बजट कितना है, ठीक है, यहाँ चले जाओ. But nobody is stressing on the fact that you need to become a licensed physician. अगर license नहीं है, it's going to be very difficult. Let me tell you, the journey is not going to be that easy. You need to ensure you have your license and you can practice with your license. All right. So becoming a licensed physician is something which you should definitely plan and ensure you are doing that. All right. So that is something very, very important. Make sure all of you are clear this your mind. So let's move ahead. For anybody has any questions for me, you can stop me then and there, and I'll be more than happy to answer that. All right. Let's move ahead and discuss this very, very important thing. So today, what I'm going to discuss MBBS abroad. What is the winter batch option available? What is the combo medical program available? So yes, this is what I'm going to talk today. Tracking the NEET examinations, MBBS abroad winter batch, a combo medical program, how to crack license examinations. So since many of you are a repeater batch students and others are going to face the NEET this year, so what are your options now? Okay, let's first discuss this. Now, this is specifically for the repeaters, but that applies to this year's student also. Your academic capabilities are not reflective of your entire life. Okay, unfortunately we are in a country which has overpopulation and limited opportunities. All right. So given opportunity, if you were in any other country, maybe you would easily be getting into a lot of things, whether it's your education, whether it's job or anything in your career. Okay, let's accept it. At Indians, there is a little bit of struggle. So it is not that you are not talented, but yes, the competition also is responsible. So my request is, don't be hopeless. Let's be very practical. 16 lakh, almost close to about 70,000 seats. So out of every 22 applicants, only one becomes third student will become a doctor. So that's a reality, and let's accept it and move ahead. That is what I will just request each one of you. Please don't blame yourself, or don't get into the any negative mode. Unfortunately, we have seen students taking these things so seriously and then ending up their lives. That's not a great strategy. You have a dream, preserve it, face it, work towards it, but do not give up. That's one request which we want to inform each one of you. Okay, 2019, 16 lakh people gave the exam. Okay, and how many qualified? Okay, all India qualification closed at NEET 618. So what happened because of that? There was a huge spillover in 2020, and this year's cutoff have risen to around 635 plus. So cutoff scores are increasing very regularly. So my point is, let's be realistic of what our chances are. Okay, this is going to be very, very important when you are planning anything. Okay, so I understand everybody is targeting 600 plus, but what are your realistic scores? Okay, this is what you need to understand. अगर आपने इस ईयर अटेम्प्ट किया है और आपको 200, 250, 300 आए हैं, तो आप प्रैक्टिकली सोचो, rather than maybe trying to lie or trying to justify to teachers, to parents and others. Let's be realistic. What are my genuine chance to get a If you feel okay, 300 cannot become 650 overnight over 6 months, then might as well with your current score look for options. And yes, if you feel you can definitely change your strategy and work hard and ensure getting a government seat, please go ahead. But all I'm saying is be honest to yourself and to your parents. That helps you plan things very well, right? So that is one thing which I want to address. Now, how we can support you in this journey? We can actually help you with 2-3 things. First thing is to, of course, we are not a NEET UG coaching providers. Okay, definitely you are already associated with some of the other companies, and you should continue doing the coaching part of it with whichever coaching center you are part of. But yes, what students at Moksha are doing, they use the Moksha test platform to identify their weaknesses and work hard to improve the score. We are just a test and assessment platform which advises you which areas and which subspecialties you are weak in, so that it helps you plan study well. That's simple as that. Okay, so our platform you can definitely utilize to repeat and crack NEET 2021. That is one option. Second option is, आई एम श्योर बहुत लोगों ने MBBS इन फिलीपींस के बारे में ऑप्शन सुना होगा. There are a lot of companies who try to give you this option, but unfortunate part with the current programs which are offered, which is called as BS plus MBBS program. BS जो फिलीपींस में किया जाता है, you are spending more than 10 lakh rupees, and after that there is an NMAT entry examination. So अगर ये क्लियर नहीं किया तो आपके पैसे भी वेस्ट है, एंड आप BS की डिग्री लेकर इंडिया में आओगे which is of no value. So instead, a lot of droppers, what they are doing is they have already joined BSc programs and are now studying on the Moksha platform for NMAT, so that after BSc only 4 years of MBBS program and the cost is only 12 lakh rupees. And finally, yes, those who want to consider MBBS abroad, you can choose government institutions. Yes, definitely you need to think about license examinations as well. Now, how do you find out, how to search? Okay, that is also very important. So the website where you can find all of these information, all right, I will quickly show you that. It's called Directory of Medical School. Okay, so if you wish to apply or join any program, you can just go to the World Directory, find out that university, how old the university is. ठीक है, इंडिया में 517 मेडिकल कॉलेजेस है, जिसमें से ओनली 350 कॉलेजेस आर अप्रूव्ड इन अमेरिका. तो आप जिस भी कॉलेज चाहे इंडिया में अब्रॉड में लोग, हाउ ओल्ड दैट कॉलेजेस, वो चेक करना जरूरी है. ओके, अदरवाइज यू विल बी टेकन फॉर अ राइड. मैं एग्जांपल बताता हूं. देयर इज इंस्टीट्यूशन एज लवीव इन यूक्रेन. Now, okay, one is a government institution which is like almost 100-year old, and there is a private institution. So if you don't do your research, certain regions. Okay, so here you can see the Levy institution, which is government 1896 and recognized by Canada and American board. But if you are not aware of these kind of research-based websites, might be all right. There are institutions which are private, very new, and sometimes the accreditation also is lost. Okay, so check. आपको चेक करना बहुत जरूरी है, चाहे इंडिया का इंस्टीट्यूशन है या अब्रॉड का इंस्टीट्यूशन है. एटलीस्ट 80 to 100 ईयर का उनका एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. This should be a government institutions, and very importantly, are they teaching in English language or not? That is also very important, right? So finally, of course, you can see the sponsor notes. This institution is not even approved in US or Canada. So, research zaruri hai. And that is exactly what we are focusing here at Moksha. All right. Now, there is a question on the chat box. Sir, how can Moksha help us tracking the NEET examination? Answer बहुत simple है. What we are doing is, आपको हम असाइनमेंट अलॉट करने वाले हैं, जिसके बेसिस पे आप अपना स्टडी प्लानर बनाओगे. ओके, आप पढ़ोगे पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स का कंटेंट फ्रॉम whatever books you are referring. But how will we allocate you this assignment? Okay, the concept is very simple. वी विल बी गिविंग यू डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट. जब आप वो टेस्ट अपीयर करोगे, आपके सॉफ्टवेयर, हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर में आपकी वीकनेसेस का लिस्ट बन जाएगा. And based on that, we will let you know what are your weak areas, on basis of which you can build your study planner and finally work towards your weakness removal. Because we don't know the exact NEET date as yet, but one thing is for sure, this is not the time to go through the entire curriculum or theory. This is more to do with testing yourself, managing time. वो सब बहुत ज़्यादा important. How are you able to do this? Where we will be helping you in entire journey. And how to get this free trial, I will share you the number where you can call. Now, those who think that, okay, practically, genuinely, honestly, it will go 500, definitely not reaching 650 plus. For them, the advice is, rather than joining private medical college and paying crores of rupees, might as well take admission in some genuine government institution abroad. Because ultimately, what will matter is the fact that genuine knowledge, because abroad or you study in India. Now every student has to write the next examination. Okay, so things have really changed. तो उस हिसाब से ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि आप लोग चीजों को प्लान करें. Okay, so it is very, very important that decision making is very clear. Okay, whether you want to choose a government college, whether you want to choose a private college, and of course, any support you require, our team is completely there with you. Okay, at any point of time, any support you require, our team is completely there with you, and we are there to this entire journey. All right. What are the options available for MBBS abroad? Now, जो repeaters है and they feel कि नहीं लग रहा कि इस साल GATE आए और एक साल वेस्ट नहीं करना, उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. इन Feb 2021 यूक्रेन का एक फाइनल बैच जा रहा है, आप उसका पार्ट भी बन सकते हो. ठीक है, इससे आपका एक साल भी बचेगा और जो स्पिल ओवर कंडीशन है नेक्स्ट, आप बच जाओगे. बट irrespective whether you are a fresher or a student who is starting afresh, आपका फंडा क्लियर रखना. At this point of time you are here. Ultimately आपको MBBS in India और abroad करना है from a, but आप और पैरेलल MBBS के पहले साल से एक अपना गोल क्लियर रखना कि आपको ये लाइसेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, आइदर प्रिपेयर फॉर द FMG नेक्स्ट. इंडिया में प्रैक्टिस की गारंटी ले सकते हो या यूएस कर लो ताकि आपके अमेरिकन पीजी के डोर्स ओपन ले. अमेरिकन पीजी इज कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. मंथली आपको 3 लाख सैलरी मिलती है. और यू द जर्मन लैंग्वेज एग्जाम एंड ट्राई फॉर मेडिकल जर्मनी अगेन विच इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. बट आपका एक गोल क्लियर होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज एग्जैक्ट प्लान ऑफ योर्स. ओके, इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि डे वन से आपको डिसाइड करना है कि पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन आपको कौन सी फील्ड में करना है. बड़े बड़े एक्सपर्ट्स को फॉर्म पर लेकर get opportunity to interact with top notch doctors and previous students so that you can take your decisions accordingly. तो ये बहुत important है to plan in a better way. All right, if anybody has any questions, queries, feel free to ask. सिंपल है. MBBS इन फिलीपींस का ऑप्शन जो आपको मैंने पहले बताया कि जो फिलीपींस रुपए स्पेंड करके BS करते हैं, या फिर कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस इंडिया में भी आपको 7-8 लाख रुपए पे करने बोल रहे हैं, इससे अच्छा प्लेन BSc कोर्स कोई भी आप नॉर्मल साइंस कॉलेज में ज्वाइन कर लीजिए और NMAT की तैयारी करिए. बिकॉज दैट इज अल्टीमेटली द एग्जाम जिसके बेसिस पे आपको फिलीपींस के PG MBS की एंट्री मिलती है. क्योंकि अगर आप क्वालिफाई नहीं हुए तो जो आपने 10 लाख रुपीस डाले थे, एक तो उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है, प्लस जो फिलीपींस वाला BF है, इट्स ऑल्सो नॉट वैल्यूड हियर इन इंडिया. सो माइट एज वेल डू अ प्रॉपर BSc. Okay, and if you get clear your NMAT, definitely go ahead, complete your MBBS, and then appear your next and start practicing in India. So irrespective, you will be proper path पे एक legitimate career रहेगा. ठीक है. ऑलराइट, फाइनली हम मेडिकल लाइसेंस एग्जाम्स की बात करेंगे. लेट्स मूव अहेड. ऑफ कोर्स एनीबॉडी हैज क्वेश्चंस, जस्ट टाइप इन एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी टू आंसर. मेडिकल लाइसेंस एग्जाम्स क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, ask question to yourself, to practice in India, because now it is very very clear that whether you study abroad, whether you study in India, सब बच्चों को एक लाइसेंस एग्जाम अपियर करनी पड़ेगी. पहले क्या था, जो बच्चे अब्रॉड जाते थे सिर्फ उनको ही एग्जाम देनी पड़ती थी, वो है FMG. इंडियन बच्चों को अगर सिर्फ MBBS प्रैक्टिस करना था, कोई एग्जाम नहीं थी. अगर PG करनी थी तो नीट PG एग्जाम. अब चाहे आप अब्रॉड पढ़ने जाओ या इंडिया में पढ़ो, सब बच्चों को एक कॉमन एग्जाम देनी है जिसका नाम है नेक्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन. ऑलराइट, so this is already up and running. It replaced MCI, Medical Council of India, on 25th September 2020. तो ये चीजें बहुत जल्द रियलिटी होने वाली है. इनफैक्ट आपके सीनियर बैचेस के बच्चों की पड़ेगी 2017 ऑनवर्ड्स. इसीलिए देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो ऑलरेडी मोक्ष के प्लेटफॉर्म पर प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, either for USMLE, either for next ये सारी एग्जाम्स के लिए. ऑलराइट, सो क्विकली मैं आपको बता देता हूँ हाउ students on the Moksh platform are preparing for these examinations. All right, so all of them are basically utilizing a global medical licensing platform, which is completely online and actually helps you navigate to the entire licensing examinations. So we have faculties right from doctors, senior doctors from America, Canada, US, Indian top medical colleges, all teaching on. तो क्या होता है, पहले साल के MBBS से ही आपकी तैयारी है कि आप एक लाइसेंस डॉक्टर बने. So that is what we ensure and when we do in this entire journey. Right, so one request and one suggestion before we end this session, कि अपना aim high रखो, work hard, dream big, okay, and don't stop believing in yourself. Right, every 12th doctor becomes a PG in India. Okay, world's best diagnostic doctors are Indians, and more than 26% of doctors in America are Indians, okay, which are IMGs. तो हर 4 में से एक international doctor in America is Indian. So yes, there is a lot of scope for all of you guys. You just need mentoring, right support and right pathway, and that is what we try to give it to you here at Moksh. आपको फर्दर काउंसलिंग चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली ये नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप कॉल कर सकते हो, एंड आई बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू assist you in this journey. All right, Moksh, we have team of professional counselors जो आपको ये पूरे जर्नी में हेल्प करेंगे. So any support required, do reach out to us on this WhatsApp number or this hotline number, and my team will definitely navigate you in this entire journey. Wish you all the very best for your medicine career. So do not lose hope. Just that take it this challenge as an opportunity, or just get associated with the right people, and I think things are still going to work with you. I would also recommend you to go to Moksh MBBS YouTube channel, and there are a lot of informative videos आपके लिए, उनको भी जरूर रेफर करिएगा. Feel free to use our number. Definitely will be happy to help you. Thank you.